Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friend, in this video we will discuss three important updates which is coming from the Wiley, Atos, Syntel and Capgemini. So let's begin this video. So first of all, we will see, you can see on my screen this type of mail my most of subscribers are receiving from the Capgemini team. Sir, what does it mean says? Okay, so what mail indicate also? So let's see. First of all, you can see the mail heading is greeting from Capgemini, update your professional data. Okay, so most of the candidates are receiving this kind of mail. So what they mention in the particular mail, just read over the line. Thank you for choosing us as the organization of choice to progress your career. We at Capgemini drives global collection of modern mention to help you get started without any hassle to and keep your professional data up to date with the we kindly request you to upload the latest resume along with professional information by following below mentioned steps. Step 1 आपका mention किया गया, click on sign in, forget your password, reset password. Then after step 2 is login your email address and password, create career opportunity, sign in successful successfactor.eu and accept. Step 3 is your kindly update your professional information as follow. So basically you have to complete your just like a wipro ICM profile, you know na, that the same happen over here also. So you have to create your account and you have to upload your documents also. You can see under my document tab, kindly upload your resume, update your profile information, view data privacy statement, search option and privacy tab, update your employment information, update your education information, mention the skills which you want to apply for the job Capgemini under training and certification tab, save and close. Wishing you all the best and do keep looking for exciting news and stories from the Capgemini team we place to get future you want. So basically if you are receiving this kind of mail, then it says that you have to complete your profile, and once Capgemini release any hiring from related to your requirement, whatever you mention in your profile and also depending upon your resume, they will get back to you and they will provide you a job opportunity for the same. Okay, so this mail is indicating the same. Okay, second, you can see this is the update is coming from the Atos Syntel team. Okay, so basically Atos Syntel also started the exam mail. You can see getting from Atos, thank you for expressing your interest to work with Atos. To proceed ahead with your candidature, we would like to require college and details. We request you to kindly fill the below form. Kindly say that your correct details in the form. The last date of fill the form is 21st February 3. Atos Syntel does not. Okay, so basically आपको पता है मैंने बहुत महीनों पहले एक से डेढ़ महीना पहले मैंने आप लोग के वीडियो बनाया था, मैंने बताया था Atos Syntel हायरिंग कर रही है 22 के लिए और 23 बैच के लिए हायरिंग कर रही थी ना, उनका ये अपडेट है. ओके, तो आप लोग मेल को चेक कर लेना, सभी को नहीं आएंगे, सब कुछ लोग जिसका भी रेज्यूमे या फिर एप्लीकेशन शॉर्टलिस्ट हो रहा है उनके पास ये मेल देखने को आएगा. एंड लास्ट इज Atos Wiley. पता है कल के दिन एग्जाम होने वाला है Wiley का, तो काफी लोग पास ये मेल देखने को आ रहे हैं. Wiley ग्रेजुएट रिक्वायरमेंट असेसमेंट इन्विटेशन गेटिंग फ्रॉम Wiley. कांग्रेचुलेशन, you are now eligible for the Wiley graduate requirement process. We invite you to take the initial screening assessment. Okay, so this kind of mail you are going to receive if you are eligible for the Wiley requirement process. Okay, so I already discussed that not everyone is going to receive the exam mail. Who all are eligible, whose application is going to be shortlisted, those candidates are only eligible for the assessment round of the Wiley because the package is very high and the assessment process is also lengthy. Okay, so you have to keep eyes on the same also. Please keep your check because tomorrow is your exam, 22nd Feb. So keep checking your mail and also spam folder. Just check if you are eligible or not. If you are receiving exam mail, then you are eligible, and if you are not receiving exam mail, then you have to wait for some more days. Maybe they will conduct a second batch exam also. We will discuss if I am getting any update. So I think that's it for the video. If you have more doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.